Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to wrap a text around a circle with Canva. So let's get started. First of all, let's take one circle. Okay, I'm taking this one. This is circle. Then for text type T, place your text over here. Now I will type wrap text, and to make it more bold, I will select Archivo black. Okay, this is my text. Then for another text, I will simply copy this and paste. Now I'll put this text over here and I will write simply around. Then all you need to do is select this text, and here is effect. Over here, if we scroll down, here is curve. Okay, now after this, simply change this cursor to make it more relatable. Now simply drag a bit down. Okay, now repeat the same for around circle. Now effect, then go to curve, then simply. Okay, now it's done. In this way, we can simply wrap text around a circle in Canva. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.